from Biscayne National Park in Florida. We thought we would kick off our time here with the #1 rated trail in the park, the Black Creek Canal Trail. Here we go. This trail is only 1.7 miles. It's ranked as easy, and we're supposed to get some pretty cool views along the way, and we are seeing that already. We made it to the end of the trail.
So here we are at the windy point of the Black Creek Canal Trail, and it is absolutely beautiful. Getting a good look of the Atlantic Ocean. Much warmer than the Atlantic I dove in last week. What are you thinking?
So we were just about to head out onto the Jetty Trail, which is the #2 trail in the park, but looks like you can't get to the trail because
It's under construction.
this is the trail under construction. So yeah, guess we won't be doing the Jetty Trail today. So we are officially striking out today. The Jetty Trail is closed, thumbs down for that, and we were supposed to take a 12 o'clock boat tour to Boca Chica Island, and it was canceled due to the high wind. So we're trying to figure out what to do next. We might see if we could get another trail to hike, because all of the boat tours are canceled due to the wind. So thumbs down, on to plan C, D, E, I don't even know at this point. 95% of Biscayne National Park is underwater, so if you can't get on a boat, there's not much else to do. So we got in our car and we drove to South Beach. When life hands you lemons, you make lemonade, or you go to the beach.
specifically Miami Beach.
I'll call this one a win. We just laid on the beach for about 2 hours, and now we're going for a nice walk. Can't beat this view. So Gary is making fun of me because I am obsessed with the lifeguard stands. They're all different colors and very bright colors, and they're so pretty, and I keep taking pictures of them, and he's making fun of me.
Yeah.
So
It's kind of convenient that every time she takes some pictures, there's like lifeguards standing out in front of it.
I really don't give a crap about the lifeguards. I just like bright colors.
Wrapping up our day at Biscayne National Park.
Or Miami.
Or Miami. Started out good, then went to crap real quick. But when you're on a beach in Miami, can anything really be bad?
Our day definitely didn't go as planned, but it wound up pretty awesome.